Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete a user account on your MacBook. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, you need to click on this system setting icon. This is on this dock and it looks like this. So just click on systems settings icon. If you don't see it there, then you can also click on this Apple logo here and then click on system setting option here. And once this system settings window opens, just scroll down where you will see this option which says users and groups. Once you click on users and group, you will be able to see the list of all the users and group on the right hand side. Now, as you can see, this is my username and I'm an admin of this MacBook. I also have second user account, which is the standard user account. And this account I want to delete. So you need to be an admin of your MacBook if you want to delete other accounts. Now, in order to delete this second account, I can just click on this info icon on the right hand side, and then I have the option to reset the password of this account, or I can make this user as an administrator of this account, or I can delete this account. So I can click on delete account option here, and then I need to provide my admin account password. So I'm going to provide my account password which I use to log into my MacBook, right, or Mac operating system. So I'm going to just click on unlock, and this is going to give you this kind of window. Here you have three options. Save the home folder in a disk image, don't change the home folder, and delete the home folder, right? So if you want to just delete the username and not delete the home folder for that user, because whenever you create a user, it create a separate folder for that user, right? And if you just want to delete the username and let's say you want to create the same username again in the future, you can save the folder which is created for that user. But if you want to delete everything related to that user and you are sure that you don't need that folder again, then you can click on delete home folder. In my case, I want to delete the home folder with the user account. So I'm going to use the third option. In your case, you might want to choose the first or the second option. Then I'm going to click on delete account, and it's going to delete that account, right? This will also delete the user folder in my case, but in your case, if you have chosen some other option, then it's going to just leave your user account folder in your MacBook. So this is how you can delete a user account on your Mac operating system. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.